How to fix cookies are disabled in Chrome on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So here, if you're seeing a message in Chrome on your Android that says cookies are disabled, please enable them to continue. Well, don't worry, I've got you covered, and in this video I'll show you step by step how to fix this. It's easy and you'll be back to browsing in no time. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the phone settings, and here once you are inside the settings app, simply scroll down and tap on apps. Now once you see the interface like this, simply tap on manage apps. Now next, on the new page, simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for Chrome. And on the result, simply tap on Chrome, and once you are inside the Chrome settings, simply tap on storage. Now here you can see the option labeled as clear data at the bottom, so simply tap on that, and after that a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on clear cache, and you will see that the cache go from big number to 0, and that's perfect because this helps to reset some temporary browsers data that might be causing the issue. And once you're done with that, you can go ahead and open the Chrome app. And here, once you are inside the Chrome app, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, from the drop down menu, simply tap on settings. And here, inside the settings, you can simply scroll down and select site settings. Now here, you need to tweak two important settings. First one is the third party cookies. So scroll down and tap on third party cookies. And here I recommend setting it to block in incognito mode only option, because this allows cookies in regular browsing but keeps them off in private session, and it's a good balance between function and privacy. And with that, the second is on device side data. So go back one step to site settings and scroll down to find on device side data, and make sure that this is turned on, because this allows website to save essential data locally, and if it's off, some website may not work properly too. And here, once you have updated both of those settings, you can just tap on the square icon at the bottom and close the Chrome app completely, and after that you can simply reopen it. And here you should now be able to access website without the cookies are disabled error. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.